Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Notion page that already contains the content you want to change. Click a block or double-click any text to enter edit mode. This puts you in direct control of the characters. Use Shift plus arrow keys or drag with the mouse to select a word, sentence, or entire block. This is faster than deleting and retyping. Once highlighted, you can type new text immediately, and Notion will autosave changes so you don't lose progress. Once you have text selected, decide whether to replace it or adjust styling. Type to overwrite or apply formatting shortcuts like CMD or Ctrl+B for bold and CMD/Ctrl+I for italic. To make text code or inline math, use the slash menu or keyboard shortcut so formatting stays consistent. If you need a different block type, heading, list, or quote, open the block menu, 3 dots, and change it. This alters structure and visual hierarchy without retyping content. Finish by pressing ESC or clicking outside the block to exit edit mode. Notion autosaves so your edits persist. If pasted text brings unwanted styling, use CMD or Ctrl+Shift+V to paste plain text and reapply Notion formatting. This prevents odd fonts or hidden tags. If something breaks, open the 3-dot menu at the top and use page history to restore a previous version. And if changes won't apply, make sure your selection wasn't inside a locked template or synced block.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.